none, so that we are on the same level. Disability, if you have one or not, just for one. Date of birth, you can pull your date of birth because it needs to put this one. So I'm gonna pull a date of birth, which is make sure your date of birth you're over 16. So it will take a few minutes. You can see it's still loading. I think my date of birth might be wrong. Yeah, it won't let me do it because of the date of birth. Didn't put the right one on, put this year. Oh yeah, as you can see, it won't let me do it because I didn't choose that I was 16. So now, introduction to Packet Tracer. Make sure you launch the course and then you can download. So you click, let me go back a second. Before you start, launch course or student resources sorry. Click on student resources because that's what we need for now. Download and install the latest version of Packet Tracer, student version. Click on that and then click on resources. It depends on what you're using. So I'm using a desktop. I'm going to click on desktop. And because I'm using I'm using a MacBook and .exe runs on Windows, so if you're using Windows, it's fine for you. Or using Linux, it's fine for you. Or this is PDF. It's just how you can work around Packet Tracer. So because none of this is will work for my Mac, or maybe let me see if the Linux will work on my Mac. Because Linux actually works on Mac operating system. But if you have Windows, as you can see, this one 64bit.exe runs for Windows, and the other one as well, .exe, they are files that runs on Windows. Basically, this is how you install your Packet Tracer. It will take a few minutes, and I will leave it for now. If you have any problem, please let me know, or email me so that we can see how we can get around it. So that's how to install Packet Tracer. So once you finish with your Packet Tracer, you will have something similar to what I will show you. Is this Windows? So this is what we're going to achieve. Begin using our Packet Tracer, then you use the screenshots to link your computers to a switch and then your switch to a server. And if there's anything, let me know. Thank you very much.